Hello students, welcome to my channel Basic Mathematics. Today we will discuss about logarithm function, right? Logarithmic function. What is logarithm function? हमें अनेक फंक्शन डिस्कशन करेंगे रियल फंक्शन पावर फंक्शन constant function, identity function, modulus function, signum function, then greatest integer function, etc. In the last video, we are discussing about your exponential function. Actually, logarithm function is the inverse of that function. Of course, we will discuss the inverse of a function in later case. First, let us see what is logarithm function. Logarithm function. Right. Logarithm function. Fx is equal to log x with base a, where a is a positive real number and a is not equal to 1. Right. A is not equal to 1. Right. Logarithm function. This is this. So how do you define this? What does it mean? Fx is equal to log x with base a. That means, suppose y will be equal to log x with base a if and only if x is equal to a to the power y, the exponential function. A to the power y. Suppose you say log of 8 with base 2, it is equal to 3. Why? Because 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So log of 8 with base 2 will be 3. Similarly, if y will be equal to log x with base a if a to the power y is equal to x. A to the power this, 2 to the power 3, 8. Similarly, log of 16 with base 2 is 4, because 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. This is the definition of your logarithm function, right? Now let us write some properties of this logarithm function. Let us write some properties. What are the properties of this logarithm function? Let us first write down the properties, then we will prove that part. Suppose, yes, properties. Yes, first let us discuss what will be the domain range. I have not discussed, we will discuss later on. First one is log of the product. This is why logarithm is so important, because it converts product into addition. Then log of x by y, division with base a, it is log x with base a minus logarithm of a y with base a. Then third one, log x is equal to 0, log x with base a is equal to 0 implies and implied by x is equal 1. Then fourth one, logarithm of x with base a is equal to 1 sorry, log of x with base x set. Then fifth one, logarithm of x with base a can be written as 1 by logarithm of a with base x, provided x is not equal to 1. X is not equal to 1. Then this is fifth one. Sixth one, logarithm of x with base a is equal to log of b with base a into logarithm of x with base b. Seventh one, if a is greater than 1, if a is greater than 1, then log x with base a will be greater than log y with base a if and only if and only if x is greater than y. Now the sixth one, if it is this, then logarithm of x with base a will be less than logarithm of y with base a if and only if x is greater than y. And ninth one, sixth, seventh, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Ninth one, log x with base a by log y with base a is log x with base y, right? Provided y is not equal to 1. So yes, these are the cases we have defined. आमे गोटे डिफाइन कले logarithm function log x with base a कहले कोन बुझो आमे लिखले जानलो। एबे एई जो नुवा फंक्शन टी आमे देखुचे तार प्रॉपर्टीज गुडा सब होउचंदी एगुडा, log of the product is equal to sum of the logarithms of the values, right? Let us prove one by one. It is very easy to prove. Suppose for the time being I will wash out this part, yes, so that we can prove it. You may take the screenshot, right? Yes. Suppose I will prove number 1, log of xy is equal to log x plus log. Let log x with base a is equal to say u, and log of y with base a is equal to v, right? This implies x will be what? A to the power u, and y will be equal to a to the power b. बुझी होची ना नहीं? Definition of logarithm function. Yes, log x with base a is equal to u means x is equal to a to the power u. Log of y with base a is equal to b means y is equal to a to the power b. And this implies xy, this will be equal to what? a to the power u into a to the power b, right? And ଏବେ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛୁ ଯେ real number theory ରୁ a base same, here base is a, here base is a, so here the product of a to the power u into a to the power b, what will happen? The power will be added, a to the power u plus b. It is this a to the power u plus b, right? And this implies, you see, a to the power this is equal to xy. That means log of xy with base a is equal to u plus b. U plus b. And that is equal to what? It is log x with base a plus log y with base. So it is a very simple proof, right? Then similarly you can go to log of xy. In the same manner you can show, suppose, yes, x by y, here x into y आमे कले x by y केते हबो a to the power u by a to the power b, and this is equal to a to the power u minus b, right? And this implies logarithm of x by y with base a is equal to u minus b. X by y is equal to a to the power u minus b. So logarithm of x by y is equal to u minus b. What is that u? It is log x minus log b, right? Sorry, log y. Log x minus log y, right? So yes, this is how it is proved. The first one, second one, now the third one. Yes. Okay. Third one is what? Log x with base a is equal to 0 if and only if x is equal to 1. Right? Suppose, third one. First part, let logarithm, it is if and only if is there, implies and implied by. So suppose this is true, we will take this is true. That means this is our assumption. We will prove this. Let log x with base a is equal to 0. That means x is equal to what? A to the power 0. And that is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. Proved. Then converse. Converse nava. Suppose let x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. And this implies যদি x1 ହେଲା তাহলে x can be written as, what is the power of a here? A to the power 0. I can write 1 is equal to a to the power 0. I can write. And this implies logarithm of x with base a is equal to 0. Very simple. X is a to the power 0. So log x with base a must be equal to this, according to the definition of logarithm. Yes, both the parts are proved. If this is true, then this must be true. And if this is true, then this is true. So It is proved. Now let us come to this part, fourth part. What is that? Log x with base x is equal to 1. Yes, x can be written as x to the power 1. Okay, so this implies logarithm of x with base x is equal to 1. Then yes, log x with base a is equal to 1 by log a with base x. Let us prove it. Okay. Log x with base a is equal to 1 by log a with base x. Very amusing. Suppose it is fifth part proof. Let 1 by log x log a with base x is equal to suppose y. Suppose this implies log a with base x is equal to what? It is 1 by y. 1 by y. And this implies a is equal to 1 by y. This implies a is equal to x to the power y. X to the power y. A is equal to x to the power y. कौन हम प्रमाण करिवा? Yes. Y is equal to केते हबो? If this is this implies log a with base x is 1 by y by yes, and a is equal to x to the power y. This implies x is equal to a to the power 1 by y. A to the power 1 by y. X to the power y is equal to a. So x is equal to a to the power 1 by y. हमें आसीबा सब बड़े x पाखु काई we will take the logarithm of x. So a to the power 1 by y is equal to x. That means log x with base a is equal to 1 by y. Log x with base a is equal to 1 by y. And what is 1 by y? One by log x with base a. 1 by yes, this is equal to suppose y. Then log a with base x is equal to 1 by y, and a is equal to x to the power y. X to the 1 by, sorry, here is the mistake. It is 1 by y. Yes. Log a with base x is equal to 1 by y. So a is equal to x to the power 1 by y. This implies a to the power y is equal to x. A is equal to x to the power 1 by. I have done the mistake here. So a to the power y is equal to x. This implies log x with base a is equal to y, and that is log x with base a is equal to 1 by logarithm of a with base y. Proved. Okay, you see, I mean nele kona right hand side let it be equal to y. y जदि हला ताले एटा को नै गले न्यूमरेटर को log a with base x आइले एटी कोन हिजो 1 by y हिजो, and 8 definition अनुसार a is equal to कहते हैं ना x to the power 1 by y a x to the power 1 by जदि a हैला a to the power y is x ताहले x जदि हैला a to the power 1 y ताहले log x with base a कहता है equal to y and y is equal to what? Yes, it is 1. Proved. Okay, so it is proved. Now let us come to the sixth part. Sixth bit. What was the sixth bit? Sixth bit was that yes. Sixth bit is this. Log x with base a can be written as log b with base a into log x with base b. Right? Log b with base x. Right? ठीक है. ताले कौन करिबा एठी log x with base a it can be written as this. Let u is equal to log b with base a and b is equal to log x with base b. This implies b is equal to a to the power u and x is equal to b to the power b. Okay, and this implies x is equal to in place of b हमें कौन लिखवा इटा a to the power u to the power b and this implies x is equal to a to the power ub कहते ub a to the power u whole to the power b that is a to the power ub, right? So a to the power ub is equal to x ताले log x with base a कहते हबो it is u into b, right? According to definition of logarithm function and that is equal to u जगह लिखिबा इटा log b with base a into log x with base b. So it is proved. Okay, this is your sixth bit. Then we will go to the seventh bit. Acha. In place of seventh, I will write the sixth bit. Sorry, eighth bit. Log x with base a. Then we will go to seventh bit, right? Yes. Yes. 8th bit. 8th bit is this log x with base a division log of y with base a is equal to log x with base y. This is very simple to prove. Now after this, how? Log x with base a by log of y with base a can be written as log x with base a into logarithm of a with base x. Previously I पढ़िचे base will be changed. Division अच्छी ऊपर गले log a with base it is y. Log a with base y and now you see it is logarithm of a with base y into logarithm of x with base a. So this is equal to what? It is logarithm of x with base y. Okay, it is this log x with base y. So it is proved. Now let us come to the seventh bit. You see what is seventh bit? This is about increasing and decreasing function. We have discussed about increasing function and decreasing function. If the value of fx increases, when x increases, then we say that it is an increasing function. If the value of fx will decrease when x increases, we say that it is decreasing. Yes. Let us see. If let amnabati এটা হচ্ছে 7th bit. Let a is greater than 1. a যদি গোটে greater than 1 তাহলে so x is greater than y implies a to the power x is greater than a to the power y or not? ପଡ଼ିବ right? A to the power x will be greater than a to the power y, and this implies yes, suppose u is equal to a to the power x and b is equal to a to the power y. अच्छा ठीक ଅଛି. Suppose ଆମେ ନବା ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ଏଠି କ'ଣ log x is greater than log y. अच्छा, we shall show that log x with base a is greater than log y with base a. एती কথা হয়ে গেল, এটা ইনক্রিজিং হয়ে গেল. আচ্ছা, let u is equal to log x with base a and b is equal to log y with base a, and this implies x is equal to what? A to the power u, and y is equal to a to the power b. We know that by given that x is greater than y, and this implies a to the power u is greater than a to the power b. But what is a to the power u? It is, yes, a to the power u is greater than a to the power b. A is a positive number. This implies u is greater than b because the base is same. Suppose you see 2 to the power 3 is greater than 2 to the power 2, but 2 to the power 4 is greater than 2 to the power 3. निश्चित भाव 4 is greater than 3 आसो. कहीं कि ये जदि बड़ न हो एटा आसीबोनी केबे. So u must be greater than b. That means log x must be greater than log b. But when a is a positive number but less than 1, if it is greater than 0 but less than 1, like this, suppose I mean our half, then what will happen? Half to the power 3 will be greater than half to the power 4. Denominator बढ़ाई जाउछ, right? तेणु सेही केस रे जेमते हम एठी आसीथिले a to the एक का सेम थिंग a to पाइबा में a to पळे आसीबो a to the power u is greater than a to the power b implies v is greater than us. ता माने vs जीव log y with base a is greater than log x with base, ताले a जदि less than 1 थिबो ताले ए केस आसी हला। आ गोटे प्रॉपर्टी हमें छाड़ी जाइचू, से प्रॉपर्टी ता हला write down, it is suppose the ninth property. What is that? Now when power is there, yes, ninth property you can say log of x to the power n is equal to n into log x with base a. Part as multiply is कहेंगे very simple proof. Let us take n is equal to 2. ताहले so log of x square, first देखो base a x square, that means it is log of x into x with base a, and this implies it will be log x with base a plus log x with base a, and this will be equal to 2 into log x with base. Thus it is true for n is equal to 2. Let it be true for n. Like induction, let it be clearly, it is true for n is equal to 2. Let it be true for n. Let it be true for n. That is log of x to the power n with base a is equal to n into log x with base a. We shall show that it is also true for n plus 1. How? It is also true for n is equal to, but the power when the power is n plus 1. Induction हमें कौन करूँ? n रो n plus 1 को जाऊ, right? एठी भी exactly से भलिया suppose हमर थिबो, yes, now हमें आसीबा logarithm of x to the power n plus 1 with base a. This can be written as log of a with base x to the power n into x. As a product we can like this, right? Like this, and this is equal to log of x to the power n with base a plus log x with base a. And you see here our theorem by our statement is true for n. So in place of this we can write n into log x with base a plus log x with base a. So if एठु जदि हमें log x with base a टा कॉमन नहीं जिबा कोन रहइबो n plus 1 into logarithm of x with base a. Proof. So from principle of induction, it is true for all n. Very simple, right? It is true for all n. So these are the properties of logarithm function. Let us see what will be the graph of a logarithm function. Graph of a logarithm function. The graph of logarithm function will be, yes, if it is a is your base is greater than 1, then logarithm function will increase. It will increase. And when you see graph of the function, it is x-axis, it is y-axis, origin, suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 5, -3, -4, -5. It is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, for negative numbers or for 0, the logarithm function is not defined. Why? Yes, I have forgotten to remind you that what is the domain of logarithm function? What is the domain of the logarithm function? Yes. Where you see, let y is equal to log x with base, log x with base a. That means x will be what? A to the power y, which cannot be negative. That means it is always greater than 0. It cannot be 0 also. A to the power. A is a positive number, not equal to 1. And a to the power 1, y. Whatever may be the value, it may y ର value ଟା negative ହେଇପାରେ, positive ହେଇପାରେ, ଯାହା ବି ହେଇପାରେ, କିନ୍ତୁ a to the power y is always positive as a is positive. যেহেতু এটা ଗୋଟେ positive number, ତାର ଯେକୌଣସି power enhance କଲେ ବି ତାହେଲେ এটা positive ଆସିବ. ତା ମାନେ x is always positive. So domain of log x is always equal to the set of positive real, that is 0 to infinity. Open interval, 0 is not included here. Open ray, of course. And what is the range? Range of the logarithm function is the whole set of real numbers. Yes. तुमको मु कहिची logarithm function टा होची inverse of exponential function. Exponential function रो जे domain यार से range आसीबो, आर जे range range तार से domain आसीबो, right? Range of logarithm function is equal to domain of the exponential function, which is equal to r, and domain of the logarithm function is equal to range of the logarithm function, that is r plus the set of positive real numbers. So negative part रे मोटे रहिबनी, तेनु a जेतेबेले पॉजिटिव अछि, a रो पावर जेतेबेले 0 आसीबो, it is 1. a रो पावर 0, but a रो पावर त 0 आसीबनी, इटा 0 कोठी हबो यार वैल्यू टा 1 रे, एठी ता पूर्वरु आसीबो नेगेटिव वैल्यूज. The graph will be like this. The graph of the function when a is greater than 1, right? कहीं की 1 रे आसीबो, देखो log 1 with base 0 हम प्रमाण करछु, ता परे इंक्रीज करछि, माने ए बड़ी 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 जिवो आ पूर्वरु. Yes, the function will be like this. Similarly, when a is negative, less 0 greater than a greater than 0 but less than 1. In this case, what will be the graph of your function? Right? Here it is x-axis, it is y-axis, it is this. And a is greater than 0 but less than 1 means it is a fractional number. 1/2 1/3 like this এই টাইপ रो এটি হলে কোন হবো টি নেগেটিভলি বড়ি বড়ি ଯିବ কেমতি না the graph of the function will be like this এপটু আসিব এই ভଳିଆ ଆସିକି ସେଇ 1 ପାଖରେ ପୁଣି ଏଟା ମନେକର 1 2 3 3 it is yes it will be like this କାହିଁକି ପାୱାର ବଢି ଗଲେ ଏଟା କମି ଯିବ ବହୁତ କମୁଥିବ ମାନେ କଣ ଉପରକୁ ଆସିବ ରାଇଟ नेगेटिव ଆସିଯିବ नेगेटिव एयर वैल्यू बहुत बढ़ी गले ए सॉरी x ର वैल्यू जेतेबेले बहुत बढ़ी जिवो नेगेटिव पड़े सपोज हमें लेचे 1/2 log 1/2 सॉरी a नीचे 1/2 x is equal to suppose y ता माने half to the power y is equal to x right half to the power y is equal to x so कौन आसबाठी ना x एतबेले बहुत छोटो छोटो माने कोन एटा बहुत बड़ थिबो हाईली पॉजिटिव हेले ई वैल्यूटा बहुत छोटो होई जिवो राइट तेनु ए वैल्यूटा बहुत बड़ होई जिवो y वैल्यूटा बहुत बड़ आसी जिवो तापर आस्ते 1 पाखरे 0 हो तापर इट विल टेक द नेगेटिव वैल्यूज के y राइट काहे कि x को बड़ करियर अछि y रो नेगेटिव वैल्यू आसिले y टा पॉजिटिव आसीबो so its value will be like this so this is the graph of the logarithm function when a is greater than 0 but less than 1 and this is the graph of the function when a is greater than 1 yes this is all about your logarithm function प्रायतः जति कि सब logarithm function exponential सब हमें देखि देले गोटे एग्जांपल जो elementary functions next time we will simply discuss about trigonometric functions but in later case perhaps वर्तमान पे हमें ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन पढ़िबा नाही एक समय हमें ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन डेफिनेशन सह तार ग्राफ तार इनवर्स फंक्शन सब एक समय पढ़िबा सो दिस इज अबाउट योर एलिमेंटरी फंक्शंस तापर हमें पढ़िबा इक्वालिटी अलजेब्रा ऑफ रियल फंक्शंस in my next video. Thank you.